kitchen. Floor of my kitchen. This is the entryway and it has, I guess, kind of open plan. Don't super love all the warm tones, so we're gonna have to bring in lots of cool tones. I really loved these peel and stick tiles, and whenever people came over, they always gave me compliments on them, and they actually thought they were real. And of course, I got them on Amazon, so I'll be sure to link them for you guys. Also, you'll see that I covered the countertops with marble contact paper, and I had no problem with them peeling or lifting, and I could place hot items on them, so I would definitely recommend them. But something to note is that they have a strong adhesive, so you have to be careful if you're removing them from laminate because it is a more delicate material, so you want to go slow to not damage it. Also, be prepared to spend some time removing it because it takes some muscle to get off. I removed them the night before I was rushing to get out of my apartment, and I had no idea that it would take me as long as it did. 1 hour.
1 hour.
Hello family, and welcome to my kitchen. I've been doing this kitchen makeover slowly over time, and now it is time for pantry organization. I finally got a hold of these canisters on Amazon Prime Day. I love them because they already have the spoon attached to them, and I wanted something to hold different roasts of coffee. Over here is my coffee corner, and as you can see, we have all our different coffee mugs, and then I plan to be putting the canisters on the second shelf. My friends are all coffee enthusiasts, and I thought since I do the reusable K-cup pods that this would be a great way to have different roasts on hand ready for them and still be aesthetically pleasing and sustainable. Amazon Prime Day also had the matching canister sets on sale, so you know I had to get 2. So we will be doing some pantry organization today along with my favorite, labeling. So let's get to it. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so now it is time for pantry organization. First off, I just want to apologize for my audio. I had bought a new mic that requires batteries, and the power light is on the back, so I had no idea that this entire time my mic was dead. But I did want to show you guys how my canisters came packaged. I was so impressed. The canisters were protected on all sides and nestled in carefully. I actually ended up saving the packaging for when I moved, and they made it safe and sound. The coffee canisters, on the other hand, came wrapped in bubble wrap, and one of them did come broken, but was not a problem because of Amazon's great return policy. I just simply returned it and ordered a replacement. So now we are going to wash and dry all the canisters. Okay, so does anybody else have one of these ugly light covers that they ended up taking off? Public service announcement. Wipe out your pantry. So obviously I lost all sound, but here I'm going to sort through and throw out all the items that are expired and items that I want to gift my friends. I had multiples of a lot of items, and you will see I have 2 packages of almond flour, and I'm not going to go through all that before it goes bad. So I ended up creating a baking gift basket to one of my friends who is also a big baker, and she loved it. Organizing is a great way to take inventory of what you have and not let things go to waste, and it's just such a good feeling. Here I decided if I wanted to put the label on the bottom to match the coffee canisters, or if I wanted to put it at the top so I could see the label. I like to be able to open my cupboards and easily find things that I'm looking for, but I know there has been some debate in the design world of words creating visual clutter. So I want to know what you think. How do you feel having words out in your home? I'm the kind of person that doesn't mind a few if they are put away in a cupboard that I don't have to see all the time. And I prefer making my own labels so they all match and are easy on the eye. Snacks in a basket so I can grab and go real quick. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, everything's going to be linked in the description and also over on my website, so be sure to check those out. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye guys.